Okay, so members, now welcome. Today we are going to see almost the final thing in statistics. We are going to see how do you handle when they are giving you the frequency and then they are asking you to delete other things, and when they are giving you f of x, how do you get other things? Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, to start with, they are giving us a table. The table below shows length of pipes in meters. They are giving us this and they are giving us f of x. State the model class. Then you calculate the mean. You don't have to set the model class standardizes the frequency. So then meaning we need to get frequency. Then also mean, you know how we calculate mean? Mean is already summation f of x over f summation f. So now how am I going to get this frequency? Now I know that already this f of x is given by getting the frequency times the midpoint. So if I have the classes, I can easily get the midpoints. How do I get this? I say this plus this divided by 2, I get this. The same here, you add this, you divide by 2. The average of this is this, then this plus this by 2 up to here. Now, meaning to get the frequency, if I have this and I have this, I can get this. How am I going to do it? You know that this times this, we get this. So f times this, we get this. So meaning, I'm going to get this divided by this. I'll be getting what is here. So instead of when I get this divided by this, the answer I get this divided by this, I'll be having the first frequency there. And the answer I'm getting here is 5. And I say now this divided by this, the answer I'm getting is 15. Then this divided by this, the answer you get is 10. Then this divided by this, the answer is 8. Then this divided by this, the answer is 4. So that's how we get our frequency. And now, it's that when we sum everything here, when I sum everything, I get 42. So meaning, now I have summation f, and now when we sum everything here, you get this, you get this, and this to calculate the frequency. Now the model class randomized frequency. That's what the highest frequency is here, and our model class is going to be this 49 to 56. Then my mean is going to be summation this over this. So this divided by this, I get that to 4 decimal places. Now this one, they are giving us now to model frequency, and they're asking us to get the model class first, and then the mean mark. These were marks obtained by students. From 20 to this, they were this. Then 40 to 40, and so on. Now, how do we get the frequency if we are given geometric frequency? We always know that the first geometric frequency here was the first frequency. So that one is very easy to get. Now, how do we get others? What you do, you get this minus this, you get the frequency here, which will be 6. Then this minus this, you get a frequency here, which is, I think, 12. Then this minus this, you get a frequency there, which is 8. Then this minus this, I think we are going to get 4. Is it a 4? Yes. So now you see, if you had this, remember we are getting different frequency. You say this is always the first, then this plus this, you get this. That's so. That's how you get frequency. This plus this, you get this. Then this plus this, you get this. That's how you check. This plus this, you get this. Then this plus this, you get this. So if they give you geometric frequency, you can also get frequency. Let me repeat it again. The first orange here is the first here. To get the next, you get this minus this, you get what is here. To get what is here, you get this minus this, you get here. Then this minus this, you get this 8. Then this minus this, you get that 4. And then when you sum, because the one has to get mean f of x, you get a midpoint. You get this plus this, then by 2. This plus this, then by 2. Up to when you reach here. Get this plus this, then divide by 2. Then to get f of x, you multiply this and this, you get this. This and this, you get this. That. Up to reach here. This and this, you get that. Then when you sum everything here, that's what you get. Then the model class, that is frequency. Our highest frequency here is this. So this one becomes the model class. 30 to 34. Then now mean summation f of x over summation f. When we put the values there, That's what we get. That's now our min mark, 32.6 to 4 decimal places. So that's how we handle these numbers. I wish you the best. For anything now, you can leave the question in a comment section. See you. Now we are going to handle, I think, enlargements.